Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, this is your most awaited video of C language paper presentation, as many of you were requested and to do paper presentation video. I have seen many comments regarding this. Hope this video will be useful, and here in this video I will give certain tips and tricks where you can easily score O grade in this subject. So just you sincerely follow my tips and tricks. This will be useful to you all. Okay students, so let's get into the video. As you all know, C language is a 50 marks question paper, and this is only for the BCom computer application student. Okay, and passing marks is 18 marks. Okay, so 50 marks will be the question paper and 18 marks will be the pass marks. Okay, again and again, please don't ask me in the comment section about the pass marks. Okay, so here in this video, how you need to present your answers, and examination hours is 2 hours only. In this 2 hours you need to attempt 5 long and 5 short. Okay, long consists of each of 6 marks. So 6 5s are 6 marks, not 8 marks. So 5 8s are 40 marks, and in short you need to attempt 5 questions. Each question carries 2 marks, so 10 marks total, 50 marks like this. In your 2 hours time duration, how you need to time management is important, presenting your answers is important, everything is important. How much you are learning is how much important, like that how much you are presenting is also important thing. Okay, so some of the students are asking many questions, many doubts, like every question we need to write the program, how we need to remember the program, like that they are asking. So let's discuss in this video. Okay, so students, coming back to the programming, at least if you are attempting 5 long means, okay, in that 5 long, minimum 3 programs, means for minimum 3 questions you need to write the programs. Got it? So this is the main thing, as many of the students will get backlog. Though it is a 18 marks is a passing marks, many of the students will get failed in this subject because they will not write any program. Okay, so but without programming, if you are submitting your booklet, means you will definitely fail in this subject. Okay, programs is very much important, so compulsory you will need to write it. Okay, see, one thing I can say it frankly, the paper evaluator will not check whatever the program you have written, whether it is a correct or not. What they will check means whether you have written the program for the answer or not, they will check. Okay, so they will have a idea about the basic structure, no? So studio.in, okay, so like that you will have, no, printf, scanf, like that programs you need to have. Basic structure of program, if you remember the basic structure of program, any question you to write, you can write that type of programs. Okay, let me know in the comment section whether you want how you need to write a program. So I will do a program how you need to attempt a program by your own in the examination. So I will make a video on it. So let me know in the comment section whether you want that video or not. So as I have seen many of the things, paper presentation only, without paper presentation you can't pass this type of practical subject. Okay, this is your booklet ma. After taking the booklet, you start part B simply. Part B must and should. Here you draw one line. Here you neatly mention question number. If you are attempting first question, in first question A or B you are attempting, A question you are attempting, here you write everything, what is the related topic of everything. And after writing the topic, you need to compulsory write the programming. So here you need to keep the heading program. Okay, if you write the program, answers will get lengthy ma. Okay, if we one line program you will write, no, one statement you will write. So around, if you write one program also, front to back compulsory it will be at filled. Okay, so like that you will use, no. Some programs will have like open bracket, main, okay, printf, okay, scanf, like that. If you have writing means the paper will get filled and answer will get elaborated. And compulsory programming, again and again I am saying compulsory programming is very much important. Okay, so without programming you can't pass. And for 2 marks questions in part A, 2 marks questions, 5 to 7 lines is important. Okay, for short, no programs, nothing, only theory part you will have. Whatever the questions I have given, that you prepare it. Okay, but give priority to the part B. Try to write the extra questions also. Don't take C language as a easy subject, because this is the toughest subject, one of the toughest subject in whole your graduation. So don't take it as a easiest subject. Whatever the questions I have given, that you follow, that questions only will come in the examination. If you have unaware of the questions, you just check out in our channel about the damn sure questions of C and C++. Okay, and for long compulsory 2 sides of answer must and should, plus a program is also must and should. Okay, and next one, time management is important. Okay, time management is compulsory important. What does this time management is important? As you are having 2 hours examination, half an hour you allot it for 2 marks. Okay, 2 marks, 8 of 8 questions you need to attempt it. Compulsory 8 ki 8 questions attempt you need to do. And remaining 1.5 hour, in this 1.5 hour, 1 hour you allot it for the part B. Okay, which it means each question you should be finished by 10 or 12 minutes. Okay, then you can finish that part B within 1 hour, and half an hour you will finish. And remaining half an hour, if you are having any other unfilled answers, means you can finish that, or else extra. Whether you know or don't know the question, try to attempt the question. Try to attempt 5 long and 5 short. Definitely you will get pass marks in this C language. Along with the program also you write. Okay, in middle of the program, if you have done any mistake also, no worries, they won't check that much clarity. What they will check means whether the student has written the programming or not. Okay, so without only programming, with only theory part, you can't finish this subject, you can't pass this subject. So that's why I'm saying don't take as a neglect. So follow these tips and tricks, definitely will pass in this subject. Okay, so this is all about the video, students. I hope that you have got clarity about this subject, and let me know in the comment section whether you want programming videos or not. Okay, how you need to attempt programming easily. And if you think this video is useful, this channel is worth it, then do subscribe to our channel, because our channel is near to 50k subscribers. As many of you people are seeing but they are not subscribing, so this much efforts I am putting for you all. Just from you I was expecting only one thing, that is subscriber to our channel. So it's not at all a forcing thing. If you think this channel is worth it, then only do subscribe. Okay, so this is all about the video. All the very best for your examination as well as the preparation. See you all in the next video. Bye bye, students.